This is our cruise room. These are real flowers, and they've been changing them every day. This is probably the smallest room. This is a bathroom. Here we go.
Even the ceiling is fancy.
Yeah, okay, so watch the windows there. Then we're gonna push this button. Let's see, this button. There we go. So,
wow.
This is the ship. We've got the slides there. We haven't really been leaving the room too much. I don't even know what's in this table.
Oh, James!
They had champagne for us when we first got here, and I'm going to tell you the story of how we got this room in a second. Cooler.
Woo!
And they were like, pick out 6 alcohols that you want, and then they just gave it to us for free. Got all our glasses and fancy coffee machine, which is no good. This
is the stuff right here.
Couch. This is, I don't know what this is. Oh,
that's the CD player, right?
It's a CD player, massage chair. I don't think anyone has sat on either of these chairs yet. Grand piano. You need a grand piano, and it does work. It's not just a fake piano thing.
Nope.
I'm going to show you the bedrooms. Now, there's 3 bedrooms within the room, so I'll show you these, and then I'll explain how we got this room. This is my parents' room, so let's see. Yep, and they're here. So these are my parents. We're doing a tour of the room.
Hi.
That's my mom.
Hi, everybody.
That's my dad. That's
A lamb.
a lamb. This is the powder area and
Very nice.
bathroom.
Yay!
No, we're here. Okay. Right this way. And then this is the next bedroom within the room. This is just a normal cruise bedroom. All right, let me show you our bedroom here. Yesterday, the butler, because you get a butler with this room, the butler told us that Oprah had stayed in this room and on the bed.
Yeah.
So we're sleeping where Oprah slept. Nothing in there. That's right, this is a refrigerator in the bedroom in case you don't want to walk
Right.
to the next. We don't know what side she slept on. This is the massive bathroom that has a television on top of the bathtub, 2 sinks, and then there's so many towels where there's the regular towels here, and then there's infinite washcloths there, and the butlers are so fast that as soon as we use up one of the washcloths, someone comes in and switches the washcloth. 8 cupboards with 8 more individual washcloths there. The shower is all fancy where there's the regular shower head and then all of these small things, and then there's that one up there, so you get very wet. This is the closet area. The outside area is almost cooler than the room itself. So now, if you've gotten lost, we're back in the foyer area. Okay, here we go. So let's go upstairs here. And there's so much deck furniture. Where there's the regular tables and chairs, then there's the towel and chairs, and then the love seat and the lounger, and this is Portland, Maine. And now let me show you the best part of the room, and then we'll talk about how we got this room, which is impressive as the room itself. So that is a jacuzzi, and that is a jacuzzi that is just for us. We get our own jacuzzi in the cruise room. It's really hot here. There's, oh, you got lost, but come here. And here we also have
Steam room.
Our own steam room.
Wow.
It's our own steam room in a room in a ship. And there's another dining room area. Here's the story of how we got the room. When we got on the ship, we just noticed that people weren't being especially nice to the cruise workers. And so we're like, okay, we're gonna do an effort to be really nice to people. Just anyone who had a uniform on, we were just trying to be nice to them, and we didn't know what their job was or who it was. But apparently we said something nice to someone who is really high up, because someone knocked at our door when we were at the other room downstairs, 3 floors below. They knocked on our door and they're like, hey, do you guys want a free upgrade? At first we were like, what's the catch? And they said, no catch, just a free upgrade. And we almost said no, because we had just unpacked everything and we didn't know what it meant. And then they're like, you should come and you should have this upgrade. You should take this room. So we packed up all of our stuff, and then we came up to the room and this is what we got. You should always just be nice to people, because you never know what might come of it, and maybe something crazy like this will happen to you. But even if it doesn't, you're just going to be nice to people and make people happy.
Yep.